If you're selling people websites, something you're going to run into absolutely all the time is the need for graphics. Now, many cases, the best thing you can do is just to go over to Shutterstock and buy the graphics that the website needs, right? You're going to get high quality graphics. You're going to pay a, reasonable amount of money, but you're going to have stuff that looks great and it's a one-time expense and you can build it right into the price tag of the site. However, there are many cases where you need to have lots of graphics, like when you're making images that go with a blog post, for example, or if you're just creating a very simple graphic where you want to throw text overlay an image and, use it for a brochure or a pamphlet or something like that. There's just a lot of situations where you need graphics. A great place to go is Pixabay.com. And on my screen here, you can see I have Pixabay. It's just Pixabay.com. Link in the description. You can go here and you can search for tons and tons and tons of royalty-free stock images. There's just so much stuff here, right? Let's just type in pizza, right? Type that in. Up comes a whole lot of images of pizza and a whole lot of very high-quality images of pizza, mind you. Now, you can register on this website, and you can go ahead and you can download very high-res images off of here, but the images you can download without registering are equally pretty large. A 1920 by 1280 JPEG, which would be fine for 99% of applications, you can get off of here just by, hitting the download button and getting a hold of it. And there's tons of great stuff here. It's just an excellent, excellent resource when you're doing creative tasks to have at your disposal completely for free. I do advise you to register with the site because when you register here, you get access to the really high-res photos. This pizza photo, for example, 5,472 by 3648, massive, massive JPEG that's only accessible when you register. And registration, again, is free. You don't pay any money for it. This is just another great free resource for all of us out there that are running agencies and are involved in creative tasks of a digital nature. Something everybody should have. That's going to conclude this video. Take a look at Pixabay. Go out there and check it out. If you like this video and you want more quick tips from Rocket Driver, go ahead and register for our channel. Hit that like button if you want to, and ring that bell so you get notified when we drop new videos. I'll see you in the next one.